Welcome back. Now you may want to create a post made of some of the social posts that you see on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. And you can do that through the Gutenberg editor. So for example, if we click Add Block and we type in Facebook, we'll click Facebook, and then we'll head to Facebook to grab a post. We'll need then to grab the specific URL of a Facebook post. We can do that by clicking on the date. Once we do that, we'll then have the post by itself. What we'll want to do is we'll want to grab this URL, copy it, and then we'll want to head back to our WordPress installation. We'll then place the link inside of the dialog box, and we'll click Embed. And one of the things you're going to see is that the preview will be unavailable inside of your Gutenberg editor. However, what you're going to do is you're going to update, and you can even preview the post. If we preview the post, we'll see our embedded post in our WordPress preview. What we're going to do now is we're going to then remove this block. We're going to place another block, and this time we're going to write in Twitter. And what we're going to do is we're going to get the Twitter URL of a specific post. We'll then grab the post by the date. We'll copy the link. And then we will drop our link inside of the dialog box and then click Embed. And then we will see our post. We then have access to our controls. What we're going to do now is we're going to remove this block. We're going to add another block. This time we're going to type in Instagram. We're going to click the box. We're going to grab an Instagram post. We can do that by going to this arrow. We'll click Copy Link. That link will then be part of our clipboard. Then we'll head back to our WordPress installation. We'll then place that link inside of the dialog box. We'll click Embed, and then our post will then be part of our WordPress installation, and then we have access to our controls. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.